The sea, a vast wilderness, has always been both a source of wonder and a formidable challenge. For ancient mariners, it was an endless expanse that could inspire awe, but also instill fear. The horizon promised new lands and opportunities, yet the unknown depths below held countless dangers. To our ancestors, the ocean was both a barrier and a highway, shaping the very course of human history. It separated distant peoples, but also connected them, allowing for the exchange of goods, stories, and cultures. The promise of trade and discovery lured many to its waves, but the threat of sudden storms and unpredictable weather was ever present. Each journey was a gamble, a test of both courage and preparation. Courage alone wasn't enough. Survival demanded a deep well of knowledge and finely honed skills. Sailors had to read the skies, understand the winds, and repair their vessels with whatever resources they had at hand. Ancient shipbuilding stands as a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. Each vessel was a marvel of design, crafted to withstand the relentless forces of nature. These ships were not just means of transport, they were lifelines, built to brave the ocean's fury and, with luck and skill, return home again. Every plank, every rope, every nail was an extension of human will, shaped from the raw materials of the earth and sea. The ship itself became a living testament to the resourcefulness of its builders. Ancient shipbuilders were true masters of their craft, blending tradition with innovation. Their expertise was passed down through generations, each builder learning from the successes and failures of those before. They understood the properties of wood, the importance of balance and buoyancy, and the subtle art of joining materials, so that their ships could endure the harshest conditions. With these ships, civilizations were connected across vast distances. Trade routes flourished, ideas spread, and the world grew smaller, one voyage at a time. From humble reed boats, gliding along rivers, to mighty triremes, slicing through open seas, each design reflected the unique needs and environments of its creators. Every joint and plank was a decision for survival, a careful calculation to ensure the vessel could withstand the unpredictable moods of the ocean. The remains of ancient ships, preserved in mud and sand, are blueprints for resilience. They reveal the secrets of construction and the stories of those who sailed them. The shipbuilder's axe, worn smooth by countless hands, echoes humanity's relentless drive to explore, adapt, and survive. Skills were refined over generations, each new builder adding their own insights, each voyage teaching new lessons, all perfected by the unforgiving sea. This legacy teaches us that true strength lies not in rigidity, but in flexibility, the ability to bend with the wind, to adapt to changing tides. The most enduring solutions are those that work in harmony with nature, respecting its power while harnessing its gifts. This is the legacy left to us by ancient mariners and shipbuilders, a powerful reminder that resilience, ingenuity, and respect for the natural world are the keys to survival even on the most unpredictable seas. Modern shipbuilding is a triumph of technology and precision, where every bolt, weld, and plate is calculated to exacting standards. In these vast shipyards, teams of engineers and workers labor over blueprints and digital models, confident that their designs will withstand the harshest seas. We build with certainty, using advanced mathematics and powerful software to predict how our ships will perform in almost any condition. Every decision is backed by data, simulations, and rigorous testing. The result is a fleet of modern vessels, marvels of industrial power, designed to be unyielding, slicing through waves with unwavering strength and efficiency. Yet, this reliance on sheer strength can become a hidden weakness. When the unpredictable forces of nature push these ships beyond their calculated limits, the consequences can be sudden and severe. When pushed past their breaking point, modern ships can fail catastrophically, splitting, cracking, or capsizing in moments of extreme stress. Ancient shipbuilders, by contrast, embraced a different philosophy. They valued resilience over certainty, crafting vessels with an understanding that the sea could never be fully tamed. They respected the sea's immense power, designing ships that could flex and yield to the waves rather than resist them outright. Their wooden hulls absorbed the ocean's energy, bending and creaking with each swell, dissipating stresses that would shatter a rigid structure. This mindset stands in stark contrast to our modern quest for total control and predictability. It's a lesson in humility, one that we, in our pursuit of certainty, have largely forgotten. Modern shipbuilding isn't inherently flawed, but in our drive for unbreakable strength, we've lost something vital: the wisdom to adapt and yield when necessary. Ancient ships bent and creaked, their flexibility allowing them to survive storms that would destroy a more rigid vessel. They dissipated the ocean's fury, not by resisting, but by flowing with it. Our modern vessels stand firm, unyielding, until suddenly they can't. Their strength is absolute but also brittle. In seeking unbreakable certainty, we've sometimes created the conditions for catastrophic failure, forgetting that true resilience lies in the ability to adapt. The wisdom of the ancients offers a powerful lesson. Resilience is not weakness, but a form of strength born from respect for nature's unpredictability. It's a philosophy of adaptation, of living within the environment, not above it. A lesson as relevant today as it was centuries ago. Our understanding of ancient shipbuilding techniques is pieced together through the painstaking work of archaeology. Each discovery, whether on land or beneath the waves, adds a new layer to our knowledge of how early civilizations mastered the art of building ships. Shipwrecks act as remarkable time capsules, preserving not just the physical remains of vessels, but also the knowledge, craftsmanship, and ingenuity of their builders. These underwater relics offer a rare glimpse into the minds of ancient engineers. The famous Kyrenia ship, for example, revealed construction secrets in extraordinary detail, showing us how ancient shipwrights solved complex problems with limited resources. These discoveries have revolutionized our understanding of ancient technology, challenging the idea that early shipbuilding was primitive or unsophisticated. In fact, early shipbuilding was highly sophisticated. Builders developed complex hull shapes and innovative construction methods, demonstrating a deep understanding of materials and design. The wrecks show us advanced construction methods, such as mortise and tenon joints, and reveal the remarkable engineering skills required to create seaworthy vessels that could withstand long voyages. Ancient builders carefully shaped hulls for both efficiency and strength, using techniques that balanced speed, cargo capacity, and durability long before modern technology existed. Achieving such precision in joints and fittings was possible only with expert craftsmanship and simple hand tools, a testament to the skill and patience of these early artisans. Each shipwreck tells a unique story of skill, tradition, and the relentless pursuit of innovation that defined ancient maritime cultures. These finds challenge our assumptions about the past and remind us that ancient engineers possessed a genius that still inspires awe today. Ultimately, these discoveries stand as enduring testaments to the forgotten brilliance and creativity of early engineering minds, inviting us to marvel at their achievements. The mortise and tenon joint was key to ship strength. It created a unified wooden shell, distributing stress evenly. Precision was crucial, with each joint cut perfectly. The hull became more rigid and watertight in water. This technique allowed for larger, robust ships. It was a testament to understanding materials and craftsmanship. The mortise and tenon joint was a cornerstone of ancient shipbuilding. Ancient Mediterranean shipbuilders used a shell-first method. They constructed the hull before adding internal frames. This required skill, creating a strong, self-supporting shell. Mortise and tenon joinery was crucial for strength. The shell-first approach created robust monocoque structures. It required deep understanding of geometry and form. This method dominated Mediterranean shipbuilding for millennia. It prioritized the integrity of the outer shell, creating holistic vessels. Holistic vessels. Creating 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 holistic vessels. Sewn plank boats offered flexibility alongside mortise and tenon. Planks were stitched together, creating a flexible hull. This flexibility dissipated wave energy, preventing breakage. Sewn boats were ideal for navigating rocky coastlines. They absorbed shocks, allowing for manageable repairs. Sewn boats were adaptive engineering, trading rigidity for resilience. Waterproofing was crucial for survival. Ancient builders used natural materials for sealants. Pitch from pine resin created a waterproof barrier. Fibrous materials caulked seams, sealed with pitch or bitumen. These methods were maintainable and sustainable. Repairs could be made at sea with natural materials. The approach was holistic, creating a living, breathing ship's skin. It was a testament to understanding natural chemistry and materials. Ancient shipbuilding offers lessons for modern engineering. Resilience over brute strength is a key lesson. Designing for failure in a controlled way is valuable. Ancient builders had deep knowledge of materials. Sustainability and natural materials are a return to ancient mindsets. Humility and respect for nature are crucial lessons. Working with natural systems is vital for environmental challenges. Ancient wisdom teaches us to build with resilience and respect. The legacy of ancient shipbuilders is a message for the future.